Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve the void cube. It's pretty much the 3x3, there's just some few more things you need to look out for and be careful that you match up, I suppose you could say. Before you try to solve it, you just need to set some parameters on the color scheme. So mine is that when light gray is up and green is forward, red's on the right, and then you should know all your opposite colors. Red's opposite yellow, green's opposite blue, light gray opposite dark, or black or dark gray, whatever. So just make sure you know 3 of them and their opposites. So I know when light gray's up, green's in front, red's on the right, yellow's got to be here, blue's got to be here, dark gray's got to be there. If you don't do that, you cannot solve the cube, and you'll just have to undo what you've done so far and put them in the right place, and that's just not fun. So I'll show you how to do this correctly. So since I do light gray and green first, I just pick that piece. So when light gray's up and green's in front, I know red's on the right, so now I have to get the red piece that belongs there right here, and I know it goes here. So you all know how to make a cross. You've all solved a 3x3 before. So light gray's up, green's in front, red's on the right. Good. Now you know yellow is opposite red, so this piece now has to go opposite that. You just have to match up your colors. Doing it without the centers is hardly any different. So green, red, opposite that. So blue has to go back here. It's already there. And that's how you solve the first cross. It's not hard. You just have to watch out and make sure you're putting them correctly adjacent to the correct color. And now you will solve just the corners regularly, how you would probably using just the basic method, right inverted down, inverted right down. I use F2L, but I assume you all know how to solve a 3x3, so I'm just going to go through this part. Alright. No, one more. My bad. Alright. Now you all know how to solve this, so you just know that this is a black spot, so you can have just the black dot, nothing else will be black. You can have the L, the cross, or the bar, or you can already have the cross. So just solve that with whatever algorithm you use, basic, method, whatever. And then just orient the corners correctly, how you normally would. Just upright, up inverted, whatever your algorithm is. I'll put a link to a basic method tutorial if you don't know how to do this in the description. So you all just gotta line these up. And then you solve the rest of it like a 3x3, but this is why really I made the videos, because you can come across the parity. The parity is when 2 corners are solved and the 2 others are not. Obviously, you can't just do the tri-corner swapping algorithm, because it wouldn't work out, because it would ruin one but fix the other, so it doesn't help you. So I'll go this one here. Alright, this one doesn't have the parity, so you would just finish up using the basic method or PLL, whatever you do. I would usually do PLL, but for the video. And so I'll show you how to do the fix the parity now, but first I have to make the parity, so I'm just going to make it first, and then I can show you how to fix it. Right. Well, let me go this way. Alright, here it is. Everything's solved, but 2 corners are incorrectly flipped. Like this piece belongs here, this piece belongs here. So this takes 2 heavy-duty long algorithms to fix. So how you're going to hold it is you're going to hold it how I have it here, the 2 ones that need to be flipped in the front, one in this corner and one in this corner, and you're going to do the first algorithm. It's quite a few steps. I've never really counted it before, but here it goes. 2R, 2B, 2U, L, 2U, RI, 2U, R, 2U, 2F, R, 2F, L, 2B, 2R. And that fixes your swapped corner problem. But it gives you 2 centerpieces. Now this piece belongs here and this piece belongs here. And this is where you need the second algorithm. So I'll give you this one now. But first, how you hold it, you hold one of them in the front, one of them in the back. Not on the sides. That wouldn't work. It would just put you in another position that you don't want to be in. So here goes the algorithm. F, L, RI, B, U2, BI, F, U, LI, UI, L, RI, BI, FI, RI. And that solves the parity. So that's all there is to this tutorial on how to solve the gear cube, how to orient the pieces correctly, and fix the parity. So thank you for watching. I guess next I'll probably end up making a gear cube video. So look for that.